Hello, it's me again, Jason Strongerhead. This is a very special edition that I'm doing quickly because I think a lot of people are very worried right now. They don't know whether this rally is going to be real or not real. So, sorry, got distracted. Yeah. So there's a lot of news today, and a lot of people are saying that wow, the stimulus is too much already, and even the stimulus come out, but it's not helping the economy, and this stimulus is gonna create a lot of problem in the long run, and it's gonna make 2008 like a small dip. This crash is gonna be the sorry, got distracted again. So this crash, right, is going to be worse than the Great Depression, and the world is coming to an end. And do you realize something? After a while, the scary things are not scary anymore. In the stock market, you have to remember something. The stock market is not rational, and the stock market don't like fear, don't like risk. So I don't know whether you get the message just now. If you keep getting scared, if someone keep coming out and rah, keep coming out and rah to scare you, right? So after a while, are you still scared? You are tired of being scared already. So there are only two scenarios. One, you are tired of being scared. So no matter what kind of scary thing I try and tell you, you are numb already. Like, okay, what's new? Yeah. Two is that because human being, we do not like to be stressed and we do not like to be scared. So what happens is that we will just ignore. So no matter whether it's scenario 1 or scenario 2, we will still ignore. There's a lot of bad news out there. So if let's say we keep getting bad news, then eventually will the market respond to the bad news anymore? Probably not. You see, today, right, the market, I don't know whether it will go down in the end, I don't know yet, but take a look. Initially, when they talk about the unemployment rate, oh my God, it's record high, 3 million plus. And in the end, what happened? The market, ding dang, boom, go up. Is it rational? Is it rational? It could be priced in really on Monday. So what you can do right now is to ignore all the news. If you have already bought, ignore all the news. If you have not bought, then you can take note of all the news. However, you need to let the news be your opportunity. Right now, with all the news, there's a possibility of whether the stock will suddenly plunge again or suddenly spike up. So if you believe the market is going to bounce again, right, then I would buy into the dips. Right now, I will buy into the dips. So if let's say the market were to, because of a bad news dip, then I will buy it. So the moment there's another good news, then the market will rebound, right? So that's how you can at least capture a better price. So that would be one way. The other way would be just ignore all the news and look at the chart. Remember in my previous videos, if you have not watched it, you can go and take a look at some of my previous video where I share how do you look at the charts and find out where would be the possible bounce point. The possible bounce point will be the points whereby the market price is considered cheap enough to attract a lot of people to go into the market and start buying again. So total there are 4 points. We call them the support level. Now this support level right now has become resistance level, meaning the moment the price, now the price is low, you see, at 20,000. The moment the price hit this level, this will be considered a level that is considered expensive, and that will trigger some people to start selling their stocks. Yeah. So when people start selling their stocks, what will happen? The market price may do a dip. So if you believe that the market is going to go up, this dip you buy, then once it go up, once it bounce up, then you have profited from a good price. So let's say you buy now, then you go up to this point at about 23,000. This is another level whereby people will feel the stock is considered quite expensive. And if there's a dip, that will open up another opportunity for you to average up or to take your position, for example. Okay, so that is how you can look at the charts and decide how much you want to buy and when you want to buy. Yeah, if you want to understand, right, what are the stocks that you can buy, how can you use different portfolio strategy in order to maximize your gain, you can take a look at my last video, yeah, my previous video. And also I'm thinking of coming out with one more video Because right, in terms of how you're going to use the position to make position sizing and portfolio management, maximize your profit, I actually have some more ideas to share with you. If you are interested, remember to stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed, please remember to click subscribe so that when I launch the next video, you will not miss all my insights if you have been enjoying my insights. And lastly, please click on the like button if you have enjoyed all the insights, and because that will help me in my algorithm. I really want to have a lot more followers so that I can share all these insights that I have learned throughout my past experience from the last 10 years. Thank you very much, and I will see you again. Stay tuned.